Another day, another story. Russia, the largest country in the world, spans 2 continents and boasts a rich history, diverse culture, and significant global influence. From the iconic architecture of Moscow to the vast landscapes of Siberia, Russia captivates with its sheer size and complexity. Here are 10 fascinating facts about this multifaceted nation. Number 1. Enormous landmass. Russia is the largest country on Earth, covering over 17 million square kilometers. Its vast expanse stretches from Eastern Europe to Northern Asia, spanning 11 time zones. This immense size contributes to a wide variety of climates and landscapes, from tundra to steppe and dense forests. Number 2. Trans-Siberian Railway. Russia is home to the Trans-Siberian Railway, the world's longest railway line. Stretching over 9,000 kilometers, this legendary rail route connects Moscow with Vladivostok in the Russian Far East. The journey takes about a week and offers a breathtaking view of Russia's diverse landscapes. Number 3. Rich cultural heritage. Russia has a rich cultural heritage, with contributions to literature, music, dance, and visual arts. Renowned authors like Fyodor Dostoevsky and Leo Tolstoy, as well as composers such as Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky, have left an indelible mark on global culture. Number 4. Matryoshka Dolls. The iconic Matryoshka Dolls, also known as Russian nesting dolls, originated in Russia. These hand-painted wooden dolls feature a set of smaller dolls that fit inside each other. They often depict traditional Russian themes and have become a symbol of Russian craftsmanship. Number 5. Hermitage Museum. Located in St. Petersburg, the Hermitage Museum is one of the largest and oldest museums in the world. It houses a vast collection of art and cultural artifacts, including works by Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Rembrandt. Number 6. Caspian Sea. Russia shares the Caspian Sea, the world's largest inland body of water, with 4 other countries. Despite its name, the Caspian Sea is technically a lake. Russia's shoreline along the Caspian Sea is home to diverse ecosystems and significant oil and gas resources. Number 7. Baikal Lake. Lake Baikal, located in Siberia, is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake in the world. It contains about 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. The lake is also home to unique species, including the Baikal seal, found nowhere else on Earth. Number 8. Space exploration pioneer. Russia has a storied history in space exploration. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to orbit the Earth in 1961. Russia continues to play a crucial role in space exploration. Number 9. Winter Palace. The Winter Palace in St. Petersburg was the official residence of Russian emperors from 1732 to 1917. It is a magnificent example of Baroque architecture and now houses part of the Hermitage Museum. The palace witnessed key events, including the Russian Revolution of 1917. Number 10. Diverse ethnicities. Russia is a mosaic of diverse ethnic groups and cultures. It is home to over 190 ethnicities, with Russian being the largest. The country's cultural tapestry is enriched by the traditions, languages, and customs of various indigenous peoples and immigrant communities. Russia's blend of history, geography, and culture makes it a captivating and influential force on the global stage. Thanks for watching.